All right, language explorers. So let's look at this word of the day. Today's word of the day. Coriander. 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 So like a leaf, in a way, a plant. Let's have that. Like a green leaf that is used for cooking because the nice smell. Yes. Yeah, this green leaf here. So I know how to cook with coriander. We use coriander a lot. It is a different kind of coriander. This is a different shade of green. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. They grow a lot of coriander. Yeah. He knows which kind of coriander to use. She does not like coriander. She does not like coriander. It tastes funny. Ooh. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I grow coriander. Yeah. Well, I don't grow coriander. Yeah, I don't grow coriander. They need more coriander. Yeah. So, we could say then, we need to put more coriander in the dish. They need more coriander in their diet. Yeah. We used up all the coriander last night. Yeah, we have no more coriander left. Yeah, we used it all. She is cooking with coriander now. Yeah, so every day, well, all the time, well, I use coriander when I cook. Because I like to use a lot of herbs and spices in the food. How cool is that? Yeah. How will he know how to use coriander? How did he learn how to use coriander in the meals? How does he know? How does he know how to use coriander? Wow. Because it tastes very good. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, coriander. Now, can you use coriander in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.